Welcome to our day 1 out of 7 days of our gentle yoga challenge. Whether you're a complete beginner or you're just looking to refresh your practice, this challenge is designed to make yoga accessible for and enjoyable for everyone. Now, many people are intimidated by yoga. The worry is that they're not good enough, they worry about their flexibility, experience level, or what to wear. But remember, yoga is always for everyone, regardless of any body type or fitness level. Now, the challenge for this gentle yoga flow is for you to be as gentle, calm, and relaxed. Shall we give it a try? Here we go. Let's begin with some gentle stretches in the body. We'll start with the first pose called a child's pose. Sitting on your heels, bending the knees, and you can bring the knees a little wider as we're going to tip our hip and reach our hands forwards and downwards. So just showing you the side profile, have some space with the knees and just reach forwards, dropping the head down. Now just watch the hips. There is a tendency that we might lift the hip and just drop the hands and reach forwards. So the idea is we shift the hips back, get it comfortable, nice and snug, and then we extend the arms and relax the head down. Staying here, you may close your eyes, find your breath, and take a couple of deep breaths in. Just slowing the breath down. On your next inhale, start to connect to your body. So as you breathe in, the chest expands. But on the out breath, the upper body just feels heavy. Try to relax your arms more. Relax the jaw. Relax the eyelids. And then just do a couple of deep breaths on your own pace. And then slowly walk your hands back. We move to the next one, which is your cat and cow pose. So now we bring our knees hip width apart, hands are shoulder width apart. Just dropping the hands down, making sure the wrist is comfortable. Feel free to just walk slightly or just a little sways. Then come back to the center. Round the back, press the palms to the floor and tuck your chin in. And then dropping the belly down, looking ahead. We're just going to roll the shoulders back. Start adding some breath in. So breathe in as you round your back. Breathe out as you push into the floor. And then inhale, dropping the belly down. On the exhale, roll the shoulders back and ground those palms. Maybe do one more time, this time to feel. So as you push into the ground, the big exhale will open through the back and lengthen down your neck. Same thing, inhale to release. On the exhale, we're just going to push the belly down and pull the shoulders back, engaging into the upper body. Little reset on the upper back. Alright, come back to your neutral and we come into down dog. So just tuck your toes, big lift in the breath as you lift the hips. And we're trying to shift our weight back and our breath to the back. So if you're not sure where to align things, I have a couple of videos showing you how to do a down dog or a basic one. And we're just staying here, taking deep breaths, connecting the breath between the mind to the body. So just breathing in and out. Ideally, you inhale through the nose and out through the nose. And touching down, back to your knees. The last and most beautiful bit of your gentle, relaxed flow is that we lie on our backs. So just grab the knees, rolling down to the ground. Hug your knees in, open them wide. Have your hands underneath your knees. And we're going to extend our leg as far as we can. If you need to support the legs, support from under. If you want more, you can bring it over and press it down gently. If not, you can just open up your arms, open up your legs, You want to feel just effortless, allowing the legs to be heavy and closing the eyes, taking a breath in, taking a breath out. As you inhale again, the belly inflates. On the exhale, you want to try and rest the upper body and the arms. Now, if this is too much, you can always bend the knees if it's more relaxing. And the idea again is to be gentle, calm, and relaxed. Tuning into the breath. Once you're done with a couple more deep breaths, open up your eyes, know where you are, grab your knees in, give it a good hug, and roll yourself up. And that's the end of the gentle yoga flow. If you've done the sequence, that's a great start. Day 1 done. Short and simple and sweet and relaxed. The most important thing is to be consistent. So watch out for the next day or day number 2. And you gotta be patient with yourself. You can keep repeating this day 1 sequence however you like, or we can move on to the next sequence and we can prolong the challenge to not just 7 days. It could be more than that too. A few minutes of yoga can make a big difference. If you enjoyed this session, please give this video a thumbs up, share your experience as well, and in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe so that you don't miss out on day 2. See you later. If you enjoyed this video around yoga and fitness, push the like button to let me know you want to see more. While you're at it, hit the subscribe button down below to be in touch with more videos coming up.